Hey yo, it's the one, the only Coach FLO, your favorite coach. And if you're new to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Want to welcome everyone to another episode of Generational Investors. And I'm excited that you're a part of this journey and continue to just empower yourself, continue to inform yourself because you want to see your family and your kids do phenomenal, all right, phenomenal, and set the trends, set the trajectory to be financially free. All right, so if you know anyone who can benefit from this channel of investing in themselves, in stocks, crypto, assets, real estate, share with them. Share with them IG, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Just continue to share it, okay? All right. And remember, I'm not sure financial advice for you to buy, hold, sell. All right, buy, hold, or sell. You have to do your own homework, do your own research. All right. So just as we head into next week, it's an important week for the market. Okay, the stock market, there it is. Going into next week because we have some important earnings, and these 6 stocks I'm going to share with you, I believe will do pretty well. All right, now I could be wrong. It's just my opinion. All right, so anything can happen in the market. Okay, so the first one is Meta. All right, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is sitting at the time of this recording $396. Okay, so with Meta, this one right here, looking at the AI and where the artificial intelligence is going to go and how they are implementing all these things in their software, all their different things on the social media platforms, I believe Meta is only going to go up. It's only going to go up. And Mark Zuckerberg is the visionary that's continued to reinvest in the company. Not to mention with those VR headsets, I believe that Meta is going to do well going into next week on those earnings. But like I said, we shall see. We shall see. On my next list is Amazon, sitting at $159 a share, and this one right here, I believe this was going to do well on the earnings report, because if you know someone besides yourself who don't use Amazon, you'll be lying to yourself. Everyone uses Amazon. Everyone uses Amazon for whatever reasons. Different businesses use Amazon, big businesses, small businesses. It's a lot of Prime members. That continued to add to the catalyst to Amazon. Not to mention, we're still in the football season. They have partnered with Amazon. So if you have Amazon Prime, you get not only the Prime memberships, but you also get an opportunity to watch these football games that are streaming. Okay, so not only you have that, that's another catalyst that's going to help Amazon push it up. So it have everything. Okay, Amazon have everything, and it is a worldwide company, so I believe all those positives is going to push the price up. So I'm looking for Amazon to do well going into next week. All right, so we're going to see. And on my next list is Google. What can you say about Google? Google owns the Google search, of course, YouTube. Hey, we go on YouTube. It's sitting at right now $153 a share, and I see Google, along with the AI that it's already been tapped into, it's going to continue to be a catalyst for Google. I believe Google will do well going on to next week. Okay, going into next week, I believe that the different revenue and the outlook for Google is only up. Okay, it's only up. So that's going to be a catalyst for Google. Next, Microsoft. Microsoft, one of the leading AI companies that is going to do well. All right, sitting at $403 at the time of recording. This one, Microsoft, is going to only go up, and that's why I continue to dollar cost average into Microsoft, along with Google, Amazon. Okay, going into those, but with artificial intelligence, also OpenAI. I've done numerous videos on Microsoft, but OpenAI, this is like ChatGPT. This is the new wave. If you haven't used or even thought about looking at ChatGPT, okay, ChatGPT, OpenAI, those are the things that's going to only increase and get better. Okay, it's only going to advance. There's a lot of money tied to artificial intelligence. Microsoft is going to be the leading company. Okay, it'll be the leading company. There's other companies, but Microsoft is definitely when I say reinvest into their own company, Microsoft is, I want to say it's topped going into my next stock after I talk about get through with this one, but it is already topped the next stock, Apple. So Microsoft has already topped Apple, and Apple is a trillion dollar company. Microsoft has already topped that. So watch out for Microsoft. But Apple, okay, Apple watches, Apple phones. I did videos on Apple. Apple is sitting at $192 a share. I see this one doing pretty good, but I also put a caveat that can also see it not do good based off of phone sales and other different things that's going on in different countries based off these sales. Remember, Apple is a $1 trillion company, and it's worldwide. So the things that and the implementation and phone sales, supply and demand, all these different things going to have effect on whether Apple do well or not for the earnings. Apple also tapped into AI as well with the VR set, okay, but depending on how it's doing in other countries can also not make the earnings do so well. So I'm 50-50 on Apple, okay, compared to all the other stocks. I'm 50-50 on Apple. It can be a good report or it can be a bad report just based off of phone sales and Apple watches and all the other catalysts that would help Apple. But if the phone sales and things that are not selling like they are projected to, watch Apple drop. It won't drop like tank drop, but it'll drop the low, okay? Kind of similar to what happened with Tesla. Dropped, okay, in percentage. So, but I'm still buy Apple regardless. I'm a long-term investor. And then to round off, AMD, I believe AMD will do well. All right, sitting at $177 a share. This one right here, one of the leading semiconductors, chip makers, that is on the rise. So I'm looking for AMD because AMD and NVIDIA are the two leading semiconductor and chip making companies worldwide. So watch out for AMD to do well, in my opinion. Okay, but like I said, all these I could be wrong when it comes to earnings, anything happen in the market, but like I always say, you have to do your due diligence. Okay, do your homework on these stocks because there's money to be made in stocks. There's money to be made if you do your homework. Okay, and just keep being informed what's going on. So, but big week next week. I'm gonna do a part 2 based off of after these earnings come out, what happened, where they did good or they did bad. But just know that's their money to be made. Long term, okay? Long term wealth. Be patient, okay? Be patient. Be patient with yourself. Be patient when you're investing. And just be patient in general, because reward goes to those, fortune goes to those who are patient. Those who out here trying to get it quick, get it fast in a hurry, will lose it, okay? But if you are patient, if you are diligent, you'll be rewarded. And we are looking to be generationally invested. Generational wealth. Not overnight, but over time. If you're new to the channel, hit the thumbs up button, hit the like, hit subscribe, and continue to empower yourself. Continue to stay informed. All right? Take care of your health, and it's going to take care of your wealth, because health is wealth. See you in the next one.